Good morning, welcome back to Italy. We're in Milan. As I said in last week's video when we was in Turin walking around taking photos, I'll be in Milan this week and I'll be doing the same thing. Well, kind of. We don't have as much free time, but I want to cram in as many sites as we possibly can for Milan and hope for the best when it comes to good street photography. We're outside the Duomo now. It's impressive. I've never seen it before and it's impressive to say the least. I'm going to do a loop around the square to see if I can get any pictures while it's quite quiet here. It's about 7:30 and it's quite quiet here at the minute. It's not going to be this quiet all day, I guarantee it. So make the most of it while it's quiet. We've also got the Galleria just behind me. So we'll explore that as well for a bit and see what photos we can get. Other than that, just cramming as many sites as possible, street photography where we can, and hope for the best. So come along. Let's try and get some good photos. So we've had our little walk around the outside of the Duomo and then we've walked through the centre of Milan to this area, which is the Basilica of San Lorenzo. It says it back there, otherwise I wouldn't have remembered the name. We are just walking around here, enjoying our time. The sun's not out, it's behind some clouds, so the light's pretty flat. But I've been getting a few pictures. There's a picture of a guy sitting by some birds and the birds all flew off as I took the shot, and I quite like that. And yeah, I'm still getting my eye in, still trying to get into flow state, if you will. But we're gonna head back towards the Duomo because we've got tickets to go inside. Well worth it by the sounds of it. Like I say, never seen it before. So it'll be a good opportunity to just see what there is, see what pictures we can get inside. And yeah, go up the tower if there is one and look out onto a viewpoint possibly. Who knows? We're about to find out though, so let's go. So we spent about 2 hours walking around this place and I haven't got hardly any pictures, I'm not going to lie to you. But it's been beautiful just walking around. It's really, really nice inside. And then we was able to come up onto the terraces and walk around the outside, and now we're on the roof. And it's really impressive. Like, the original stuff wasn't machine cut and it looked like this. It's really, really impressive. But yeah, I've tried to get some pictures. Haven't done a great job of it because I've just been in awe of the architecture. Got a couple. So I'm happy with it that I got at least one in here that I think might be okay. There's a massive line to get down some stairs now, so I'll wait for that to actually finish before I actually go down there. It's just started to rain, just spitting, which is quite nice considering how hot it is. I'll see you down on the ground. So I'm noticing Milan, unlike Turin, is a lot more metropolitan. Let's just put it that way. There's a lot more bigger buildings. It's very shopping-y as I expected. But you occasionally come across places like this, which, when the sun's shining, the light hits it perfectly. It's really nice. Plenty of people to take photos of, and plenty of contrast between light and dark, which is perfect for what I do. So I'm gonna have a little mooch around here, continue walking, just had a lunch, and yeah, work off my lunch slowly, and then go to a new place and find out what's there and just get lost and explore and do all that fun stuff. So, we've been walking around and it looks like the sun's now here to stay, which is great for my pictures. We went through a castle, now we're in the park on the back side of it. We're going to head all the way through it and then get to the archway at the other side. And then from there, we will walk through the streets, hopefully take some of the side roads and get back to the Duomo piazza for the afternoon. If the sun does stay like this, the arcades and the Galleria, it's going to be absolutely rammed, but I'm hoping that I can take that risk and get some good photos when the light comes in. And yeah, fingers crossed, that will be the best thing. We can get some good pictures there. After that, easy evening time, you know, chill out sort of time. And then tomorrow, I've got half a day before I fly back, and we'll just see how that takes us. Good morning for our last half a day in Milan. Today's route is just going to be, first off, we're here, the Leonardo da Vinci Museum, where we get to see the Last Supper. That's more of just a touristy thing that we're doing, like, wow, that's really cool. We managed to get a cancellation ticket because we didn't really plan this ahead of time. So we're quite lucky to get tickets into this place. After that, we're going to mooch through, go to Navagali, which is like a river canal place that looks quite pretty, and then we're going to go to the Duomo, and that'll probably be it, to be honest with you, because we need to catch a flight at about 3 o'clock. So we're here, it's early morning now, and hopefully we can get some good pictures on the last day. I got some good pictures this evening, or last evening, in the Duomo and the Galleria when it was dark, using the windows from the shops to get some good silhouettes. I think it was quite good, but we'll see what we can get on our last day. It was raining last night, so there might be some puddles and reflections that we can take pictures of. Let's see how we go. So we've walked from the Last Supper just around the streets, and it's been on and off rain, and now the sun's just breaking through, which is giving us my perfect weather scenario. The sun in the sky, nice bright conditions, shadows, but also reflections at the same time. It works quite well. I tried to get pictures in the Last Supper, which is very difficult conditions. You can't have any video in there, you can't have, you know, flash or anything like that. I tried to capture the essence of what it was like in there. People were taking like pictures with their iPhone, so that's what I sort of went for with a picture in there, but it was incredible to look at. And on the other side of the wall there's the crucifixion, but no one was paying any attention to that, even though that was just as cool to look at. We're gonna head towards the Duomo again, and then I'll probably say goodbye to you. So for now, let me walk around for some more, and I'll see you in a sec. Right, there you go. So that's it for this video. Quite quick walk around Milan. Don't think I've seen everything that I should have done, but I've seen enough, and I hope that I've got enough pictures that are decent to make it into this video. The sun's come out now, so on the way back to the hotel to pick up the cases, I might actually be able to get a few more images. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all your support on the channel so far, and recently it's been insane. Thank you so much. And I'll see you next week for another video. Bye bye.